Let me ask you something personal. When did you last wake up and see clearly sharp, bright, effortless the very moment you opened your eyes? If you had to think about that, you are not alone. Millions of adults over 60 start every morning with blurry, foggy vision that takes several frustrating minutes to clear. You blink once, twice, 3 times. Things slowly sharpen. You check your phone and squint. The text feels smaller than last year. Something feels quietly wrong. Maybe you have been telling yourself, this is just aging. That struggling with dim restaurant menus is normal. That driving at night feels harder because you are simply getting older. But here is what most people never hear from their doctors. Aging is only part of the story. Nutrition, circulation, inflammation, and sleep matter enormously too. Every night while you sleep, your body enters a powerful biological repair window. Your brain recovers, your muscles rebuild, and your eyes begin their most critical restoration process. Your retina contains millions of delicate cells exposed to constant damage from light, screens, and pollution. The only real opportunity to repair that damage is during sleep. But after age 60, this overnight repair becomes less efficient. Blood flow to the retina declines. Protective antioxidants decrease. Inflammation quietly builds inside tiny vessels feeding your eye tissue. Most people never notice this happening. The changes are slow, unfolding invisibly over years. By the time vision problems feel obvious, many believe nothing can be done. That belief is wrong. Recent research shows certain fruits contain compounds that directly support overnight eye repair, circulation, and retinal protection. My name is Dr. Eliza Grant. I have helped older adults understand practical, evidence-based strategies for healthy aging for many years. Today, I am sharing 7 fruits that may support your vision while you sleep. We count down from 7 to 1. Number 1 genuinely surprised even me when I first studied the research behind it. Before we begin, leave a comment. Do you struggle with blurry vision, dry eyes, or night driving? Number 7 is kiwi. Small, inexpensive, and almost always overlooked. But for aging eyes, kiwi is quietly one of the most powerful fruits available. Your retina is especially vulnerable to oxidative damage from light and screens. Over decades, this damage erodes the cells responsible for sharp, detailed, colorful vision. Kiwi contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that accumulate directly inside your macula and lens, filtering harmful light and acting as internal antioxidants. Kiwi is also rich in vitamin C, which maintains the tiny blood vessels delivering nutrients to your retina. Your eyes actually hold far more vitamin C than your bloodstream does. Here is the surprising part. Golden kiwi contains compounds that genuinely improve sleep depth and duration. Since eye repair happens during deep sleep, better sleep means better overnight recovery. Eat 2 golden kiwis about 1 hour before bed. Do not scrape the flesh near the skin. That layer contains the highest antioxidant concentration of the entire fruit. Number 6 is watermelon. Most people think it is just water. That is actually precisely why it matters so much for aging eyes. After 60, thirst signals weaken. Many older adults stay mildly dehydrated without realizing it. Dehydration directly reduces tear production, causing dry, irritated, cloudy morning vision. Watermelon is over 90% water. Eating it before bed meaningfully supports overnight hydration and tear film health while you sleep. It also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant researchers study specifically for protecting retinal tissue against oxidative damage and cellular aging. Watermelon also supports nitric oxide production, helping blood vessels relax and widen. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your retina overnight. The pale flesh near the rind, the part everyone discards, contains the highest citrulline concentration. That is the compound responsible for nitric oxide production. Do not waste it. Eat 1 to 2 cups about 45 minutes before bed. Never add salt. Sodium actively works against the hydration and circulation benefits you are trying to achieve. Number 5 is black currants. Most Americans walk right past them. But for night vision specifically, these dark berries are remarkably impressive. Chronic low-grade inflammation quietly builds inside the tiny vessels supplying your retina as you age. This produces halos, light sensitivity, slow dark adaptation, and worsening night vision. Black currants contain extremely high anthocyanin levels, the dark pigments responsible for their nearly black color. Anthocyanins reduce vascular inflammation and oxidative damage simultaneously. Research shows anthocyanins may support dark adaptation, how quickly your eyes adjust moving from bright sunlight into darker indoor spaces. Many older adults notice this exact difficulty first. Use frozen berries if fresh ones are unavailable. A small evening serving provides meaningful anthocyanin support. Frozen black currants retain their nutritional value extremely well. Number 4 is blueberries. You have heard they are healthy, but the specific reason they protect aging eyes goes much deeper than general antioxidant benefits. Your retina's rod and cone cells face cumulative oxidative stress every single day. Over decades, this gradually impairs low-light vision, fine detail, color perception, and reading comfort. Wild blueberries contain dramatically higher anthocyanin concentrations than regular grocery store varieties. Smaller, darker, usually sold frozen, these are the ones worth choosing every time. These anthocyanins can cross biological barriers and appear to penetrate directly into ocular tissue, providing targeted protective support exactly where aging eyes need it most. Eat 1/3 to 1/2 cup about 45 minutes before bed. Avoid combining them with certain dairy proteins may reduce how effectively your body absorbs these beneficial compounds. Number 3 is dragon fruit. This one surprises people, but it targets something the other fruits do not: reduced oxygen delivery to retinal tissue. Your retina has one of the highest metabolic oxygen demands in the entire human body. When aging slows circulation, retinal cells become chronically under-oxygenated. Vision feels dull and heavy. Red dragon fruit contains betalain's vivid pigment compounds, studied for supporting blood vessel flexibility, nitric oxide availability, and reduced chronic inflammation throughout the body. Choose the deep red-fleshed variety over white-fleshed versions. Red pigmentation means higher betalain content. Half a fruit about 1 hour before bed is sufficient. Number 2 is goji berries. These contain something researchers consider critical for protecting central vision, the vision you use to read, recognize faces, and do everything meaningful. Your macula is a tiny but essential region handling all sharp, central, detailed vision. It is also the most metabolically demanding and vulnerable structure in your aging eye. Goji berries are one of the richest known sources of zeaxanthin, the primary macular pigment that filters damaging light and provides direct antioxidant defense inside macular tissue. I think of my patient Frank, 78 years old, who told me quietly I can give up almost anything. But I cannot give up reading. That is what vision protection truly means. Soak 2 tablespoons in warm water for 10 minutes before eating. This makes them easier to digest. Consume them 30 to 60 minutes before bed for best results. Number 1 is papaya. Not blueberries. Not goji berries. Papaya and the reason will genuinely surprise you. Papaya targets glycation, the process where excess sugar molecules attach to proteins inside your eyes, gradually clouding your lens and damaging retinal blood vessels over decades. Most eye health conversations ignore glycation completely. Yet, it is one of the 3 major drivers of age-related vision decline, alongside oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Papaya provides vitamins A, C, and E, together 3 nutrients directly involved in retinal light processing, antioxidant defense, tear production, and long-term macular protection. Vitamin A is not optional. Your retina literally cannot process light without it. Low vitamin A is directly connected to worsening night vision, a complaint extremely common after 60. Papaya is also light, easy to digest, and gentle on the stomach. Many older adults struggle with heavy evening snacks. Papaya causes no digestive disruption whatsoever. Eat 1 cup of ripe, fresh papaya about 1 hour before bed. Add a small squeeze of lime juice. Vitamin C from the lime may improve how well your body absorbs the other nutrients. Now 5 rules that determine whether any of this actually works. Rule 1. Never eat these fruits immediately after a heavy dinner. Allow 60 to 90 minutes after your main meal first. Rule 2. Always pair with a small healthy fat. Walnuts, almonds, avocado, or flaxseed. Many of these compounds are fat-soluble and absorb far better when healthy fats are present. Rule 3. Protect your sleep above everything else. Without adequate deep sleep, your eyes cannot use any nutrition you provide them during the evening hours. Rule 4. Stay hydrated throughout the entire day, not just evenings. Chronic mild dehydration is one of the most overlooked contributors to dry eyes and morning visual discomfort. Rule 5. Be consistent. Healthy vision is built through thousands of small daily decisions repeated over months and years. Results are real, but they are never instant. Blurry vision is not simply an inevitable consequence of aging. Oxidative stress, inflammation, poor circulation, glycation, and nutrition all play meaningful and addressable roles. Kiwi, watermelon, black currants, blueberries, dragon fruit, goji berries, and papaya. Each one supports your eyes differently. Together, they create a genuinely powerful nightly strategy. Imagine waking up tomorrow with clearer, more comfortable vision. Imagine reading without straining. Imagine driving at night feeling confident and calm again. That is what this is truly about. Not eye charts, not clinical numbers. Independence, freedom, the ability to keep doing every single thing that makes your life meaningful and worth living every day. Which fruit surprised you most today? And if your vision became noticeably clearer tomorrow morning, what would be the very first thing you would want to look at? Tell me below. If this helped you, please share it with someone you know who struggles with blurry vision or dry eyes. It could make a genuine difference in their daily life. Thank you for watching. Take care of your eyes. Take care of yourself.